Hello to everyone, welcome to the Nyong's kitchen. Today we are going to be doing puff puff, not just any type of puff puff, but puff puff that is good for children for breakfast. So we have some ingredients here. Our ingredients are flour, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, yeast, warm water and oil to fry. So we have 5 steps that we are going to observe. The first step will be mixing all the ingredients together. Allow it to rise for about 30 minutes, while the second step will be preheating our oil. After preheating our oil, the third step, we are going to be cutting into desirable shape, while the fourth step, we allow it to brown, go real golden brown. Then the fifth step, you can serve with anything that you have. So first we are going to measure our flour, which I've just done. A heap of flour, this is about 250 grams of flour. We pour into our bowl. We now put in our yeast. This is a teaspoon of yeast. We put in our salt, a teaspoon of salt. We pour in our sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar. You know, children like things that are sweet. We put in our milk, 2 tablespoons of milk. We now crack our eggs over while pouring our warm water and mix gently. We are pouring our water and we are mixing. I always like pouring water and mixing immediately because I don't have measurement for water. Just get the texture so that it should not be over. Mix it to smooth. So we now allow to rise for 30 minutes. Step 2, we preheat our oil. Step 3, we now cut our puff puff into desirable shapes. I cut my own using my hands. Step 4, allow it to get brown, golden brown. For you to be sure that it's ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. The pop-up is so nice, so nice. Thank you very much.